Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this nostalgic color grading for your videos on CapCut. So first, just add a clip that you want to edit and then head to adjust menu at the bottom and you can follow the setting. So for the saturations of the clip, you need to lower it to around -20, and then the sharpness, increase it to 100. Now find highlight and increase it to 15 and lower the shadow to -10. Now click on a temperature, increase it to 15 and also the hue. Click on fade and add around 60. Okay, now click on the filters tab and click on the movies category and find the Barbie filter. Add it to around 45. Click on a check icon. Now add another filter. Find it on the mono category. Select the BW3 and set it to around 45. Okay, now go to the video effect and add the nostalgic light effect under the retro category. Okay, this one, nostalgic light. Adjust the intensity to only 10. Filter around 25 and the range 100. Now you are done and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.